In the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful and most compassionate. This is the channel of Computer Plus Network 2024 update videos. Today I want to describe that how can we connect different VLAN with each other by internet. First, make two VLAN with the name of IT and another VLAN for finance. Second, put FA0/1 if FA0/2 in VLAN 10 with the name of IT and put FA0/3 FA0/4 with the name of finance. Third, trunk both VLAN with each other. Switch 1 and switch 2. From this sentence, the meaning of it, switch 1 and switch 2 trunk. 4. Use routers for the connection of different VLAN and also trunk the router. Now I want to configure that step by step, but please stay with me I will show that inshallah. I want to use a cable first, fast Ethernet cable. And after it I want to connect switch with a switch by cable, and after that I want to design that. Yeah. First I want to make two VLAN. The first VLAN 10, the number of the first VLAN will be 10 and the name of it will be IT. VLAN 10. Name is what? IT. IT. And I want to exit from this route, from this switch. And after it I want to write VLAN 20. Name will be what? Name will be finance. And after I want to exit from this. When I make that, let's give me, I want to see that. Should we yeah. The first IT and another one is finance. Yeah. And after it I want to include FA0/1 and put that FA0/2 in VLAN 10. CANFT interface range FA0/1 happen FA0/2 switchboard mode access switchboard access VLAN 10. Why? Because we want to make and we want to include these two systems in these two computers with the VLAN 10. And after I want to exit that, and after that I want to write interface range FA0/3 happen FA0/4 with the finance, right? Switchboard mode access VLAN what? VLAN 10. Yeah, I want to exit from this, and this is the finance part and this is the IT part. And after it I want to come to the another switch and also make two VLAN in this switch in enable mode or also configuration mode, global configuration mode, interface yeah, first VLAN 10, name IT, want to exit from this, and VLAN 20, name will give a name finance. And I want to exit from it. And after I want to include FA0/1 and FA0/2, these two computer in a VLAN 10. Interface range FA0/1 happen FA0/2 switchboard mode access VLAN 10. Because why? Because it's IT VLAN, and also I want to do that, and I want to exit from it. Interface range FA0/3 happen FA0/3 happen FA0/4. Sorry. And I want to write switchboard mode access, switchboard access VLAN 20. Why? Because it's finance, and I want to exit from it. When I exit that, in the second step, in the third step, when I put these ports in IT and also in finance, and after I want to try both VLAN with each other, or both switch with each other. I want to try this one. Interface fast Ethernet 0/5 switchboard mode trunk. I want to exit from it, and after that I want to come here and try this switch. Interface fast Ethernet 0/5 switchboard access switchboard mode try. When I try that, firstly I want to show that I want to see IT the part of IT with the finance. If IT give a reply to the finance, maybe our project will run. I want to see that practically. I want to give a IP. Firstly, I want to give an IP 10.0.0.2, and the gateway will be what 10.0.0.1. I want to show that the gateway of this computer is 1. Why? I want to configure the router after it, but I want to give a default gateway before. Yeah. And after it, I want to give an IP to the finance part 20.0.0.2. Yeah, the default gateway will be what 20.0.0.1. After it, I want to see that I want to ping the 10.0.0.2 ping. Maybe it will not give a response, and maybe it will not ping it. Why? Because it's not trying it. It's not connect both of them with each other. Finance and also IT. Ping 10.0.0.2. If you look at it, maybe it will give a request timeout. Yeah, we want to see that request timeout will give by 10.0.0.2. Why? Because these two router, these two switch not connect with each other. I want to connect that by router. Yeah, I want to connect that. Yeah. Before I want to enter to the router, I want to try that firstly. Yeah, interface fast Ethernet 0/6 switchboard mode try, and I want to exit from it. And after that, I want to come to the router and configure that, and also I want to connect this switch with the this switch. Yeah, to give this computer to give this computer to this computer a response. Yeah, interface fast Ethernet 0/0. No shutdown. I want to update and I want to on that. After it, I want to exit, and after that, I want to encapsulate that. Interface fast Ethernet 0/0.10. What 10 is the number of VLAN, which is IT. Yeah. And after it, I want to write that encapsulation .1q10, and I want to give an IP address 10.0.0.1. Yeah, 255.0.0. No shutdown. And after it, I want to exit from it. In interface, and write that interface fast Ethernet 0/0.20, because 20 is the name of finance. 20 is the number of finance. Right? And after that, I want to write that encapsulation .1q20. And I want to give an IP address 20.0.0.1, 255.0.0, and also I want to no shut down that and have that. And after that, I want to configure the DHCP IP, DHCP pool IT network 10.0.0.0, 255.0.0, default route 10.0.0.1, and DNS is also .8. And after that, I want to exit from it. And I want to configure the DHCP for finance parts. IP DHCP pool finance and I want to write the network 20.0.0 to 55.0.0.0 default route 20.0.0.1 our DNS .8. And after it I want to see that I want to run. I already give an IP to this computer for replaying, but it doesn't give a replay to this computer. I want to give a and I want to run the DHCP in this computer by router. Yeah, and I want to see that, and I want to run the DHCP 20. Yeah, and after it I want to give an IP to this one 10. Yeah, five 10.0.0.5. yeah, 20. Very easy, but it's need to effort hard. Yeah, and after it I want to see, I want to ping this computer from this computer, and I want to see that inshallah maybe it will give a response ping. I already pinged that, but it will give a request timeout. Now I want to check that 10.0.0. Yeah, correctly and successfully that is pinged by computer 2020.0.0.2. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and support me, like and share.